So let's see what is chatbot. Chatbot. So do you know chatbot और आपने कुछ chatbots face किए हैं? Have you experienced chatbots in your AI tools or in your websites somewhere? You might have seen while you have visited multiple sites, right? Airtel chatbot. Yes. If you might have seen, there are some of the automated WhatsApp chatbots, right? So they will provide you the options 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can just select it, and they will again provide some answers to it. Correct. So Airtel chatbot is an correct example. Then you can also view the chatbots on the website basically. So there is a tool kind of thing. If you ask one question over there, how to do that, and they will help you with that, right? So this continuous process, this is called a chatbot. What are the chatbots? Chatbots are nothing but a computer programs. So Google Translator is also a chatbot itself, right? Similarly, ChatGPT, what it is also a chatbot. So it will provide you the text-based decisions by referring your input. And this is nothing but a computer program itself. So we can design chatbots using Python itself, right? So they are typically powered by artificial intelligence and can be integrated into various platforms and applications, right? For automated assistance and communication. So due to chatbots, there are a lot of jobs right now are in danger. So which kind of job roles I'm talking about? For automated assistance, right? So for example, so previously a lot of companies hired the assistant in their companies, so to assist with your programs basically, right? But right now what chatbot is doing, chatbot itself is providing the suggestions to you while you are visiting a platform or visiting our site. So there is a chatbot, it will provide you how can I help you prompt, right? So आपने कुछ question raise किया, then it will provide the solutions to your question. So likewise, it is a computer program designed to communicate with the human basically, with the for chatting. So it will analyze your text first using machine learning and artificial intelligence approach, and it will provide you the accurate, we cannot say most accurate, but yeah, so most of the things ye accurate ही provide करता है responses, right? So chatbots can range from simple rule based system to more sophisticated AI driven models, right? So the basic terminology or the basic concept behind the chatbot is natural language processing, which is the concept of machine learning, right? So आपने ये जो terminologies है ये आपने during your graduation भी सुना नहीं होगा, or you might have listened, or you might have listened these terms, but you don't know the actual meaning of it. Yeah, that happens because these are the latest technology terms in the information technology area, right? And if you start exploring these terms today, then 100% there is a chance of your career growth in future, right? So chatbots can serve multiple purposes including customer service, जैसे कि अभी मैंने बोला कि assistant. So most of the companies have reduced the human assistant over there, so they are using the automated assistant system instead of a person, right? Information retrieval, task automation, so all these things can be easily achieved by the chatbot.